Ever wondered how scientists know the exact weight of molecules you can't even see? Let's uncover the hidden math behind every chemical formula, the secret of molar mass. Molar mass is defined as the mass of a substance per 1 mole of that substance. The molar mass of a substance is calculated by adding the relative atomic mass of each element in a compound. Let's consider some examples. Find the molar mass of water. The molar mass of water is equal to the relative atomic mass of hydrogen plus the relative atomic mass of oxygen. The relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, but water has 2 hydrogen atoms, therefore 1 times 2. The relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Then the molar mass of water is 1 times 2 for hydrogen plus 16 for oxygen. This gives 18 grams per mole, so the molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. Another example. Calculate the molar mass of calcium carbonate. The molar mass of calcium carbonate is equal to the relative atomic mass of calcium plus the relative atomic mass of carbon plus the relative atomic mass of oxygen. The relative atomic mass of calcium is 40. The relative atomic mass of carbon is 12, and the relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Oxygen has 3 atoms, so we multiply 16 by 3. Computing this gives 100 grams per mole. Therefore, the molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100 grams per mole. Another example. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride? The molar mass of sodium chloride is equal to the relative atomic mass of sodium plus the relative atomic mass of chlorine. The relative atomic mass of sodium is 23. The relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. 23 plus 35.5 gives 58.5 grams per mole. Therefore, the molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 grams per mole. To recap, molar mass is defined as the mass of a substance per 1 mole of that substance. The molar mass of a substance is equal to the sum of relative atomic mass of individual elements in a compound. Every compound carries a mathematical fingerprint, its molar mass, the key that connects atoms on paper to real-world grams in the lab. Now that you can calculate molar mass like a pro, in the next video we'll explore how to convert moles to particles using Avogadro's number. Stay tuned. Stay curious.